What's up everybody, Manny from Motomillion here. Just want to show you the calipers on the S1000RR K67. If you have these bikes, check your calipers because there was a recall and there's a stop sale. This has happened a couple times so far since the bike came out in 2020. If you run your hands on the calipers like this and you're getting fluid on it, your calipers are most likely leaking. It is a major safety issue, so we urge everybody to check it out. And don't know how good it comes out on the video, but this caliper looks very shiny and clean, but that shine is all coming from that brake fluid leaking all over the place. And on this example over here, we've actually upgraded this to the Brembo GP4RX calipers with the full 6 caliper cooling ducts. So this was just a quick message that you guys can see what to look for on your calipers to check if they're leaking. And also, in some cases, it's bad enough that you'll have some big fluid buildup under it. Anyhow, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Until next time, guys.